Well, guys, we are out on another adventure. However, it's just a day trip. We're not doing any camping. We're going to do some fishing, some swimming, and maybe some huckleberry picking, and maybe even make like a cobbler. Right? Is that what you call it? Or something like make something, cook something with huckleberries. And also, I bought some junk food. We got some corn dogs and some mozzarella sticks. And we're going to see how good they are if we put them on fire. Convert them from junk food to campfire food. So that's the plan. And right now, we stop by this little river. We're not going to hang out here just because, I don't know, we just don't like this spot. But we're all a little bit hungry. So we're going to eat a snack. We got some tomatoes. Energy bites, some crackers, and some cheese somewhere, right?
I didn't bring cheese.
You didn't bring cheese. We don't have cheese, so we're just gonna eat tomatoes with salt. No cheese. Oh, with a cracker. Maybe we do have some jerky. So, anyways, that's what's up. Follow along.
Baby. Yeah.
Well, guys, we had a little snack to eat. And now we are gonna keep on going down the road and see if we can find a better spot where we can maybe swim and maybe catch some trout. Well, guys, we found a pretty cool spot right here by the river. I'm gonna see if I can catch a trout in that little pool right there. If we can't catch anything, we're gonna swim in that thing. I threw a fly in there, but I didn't catch anything. Well, guys, we had a good time here. Did some swimming, did a little bit of fishing, didn't catch anything. So, we are headed to another fishing spot as of now, unless we decide to just go pick huckleberries. So, guys, we decided that we're just gonna go pick some huckleberries. So we just arrived at a spot we're gonna check out, and the boys are all sleeping. So me and Derry are just gonna go up here a little bit and see if we can find some huckleberries. Well, guys, we are picking huckleberries, and yeah, finally found some bigger ones. Got a pretty good patch right here, as you can see. Pretty good patch. Got the dog right there. Darius down there picking, and the boys are taking a nap in the truck. So yeah, pretty peaceful. Pretty good view behind me. Pretty awesome. Picking candy in the wilds. But the mosquitoes are up here for some reason. But oh well. Well, guys, I think we're done picking huckleberries. Good here. We got a pretty good amount, decent amount, almost right around a half a gallon. It's not the best, but better than nothing. Better than nothing. So now we're gonna head on up the mountain, build a fire, and eat some corn dogs and some mozzarella sticks. Heat them up over the fire. So yeah, I don't think we ever did that before, so I don't know what to expect, but we're gonna find out. Well guys, we just arrived at our spot where we're gonna hang out tonight. Gonna build a fire. Got a beautiful view. I don't know if you guys can hear me because the wind is pretty bad. Alright, Trail, to our buddies, let's make a wood stack right here. Stack the wood right here. Get all those pieces. We are roasting some corn dogs now. I'm gonna put these mozzarella sticks. I think that, yeah, mozzarella sticks. I'm gonna throw these on there and we're gonna see how they turn out. These mozzarella sticks are getting ready, I guess. They're dripping all over the fire. Look at that. Almost couldn't get that one down. I can almost still taste the freezer in them. But they're good. I think they're good. I don't know. I'd give them maybe a 3. You want to test it? Pretty good. He likes them. Well guys, we put some of these mozzarella sticks back on the burner because they were still a little bit mushy. They weren't crispy enough, so we put them back on there, and yeah, that's what we're doing. That one's better. We got our corn dogs ready. or I think they're ready. They're getting pretty brown. You can see. Look at them. Camp. Well, how would you call this thing? A camp corn dog. Why is it corn dog? Where's the corn? Is it like cornmeal around it? Yep. I think that's it. A corn dog. Anyways, I'm gonna give this one to Trail. Give this one to Nature.
I want them ketchup.
Ooh, don't take hold of that. You gotta take hold of right here. Further down the bottom. Okay, don't let Teagle get it. Alright, Nature. Nicole. There you go. Woo, don't drop it. And then here is mine. Woo, this thing's a little hot. I'm gonna get me some ketchup and some mustard and start eating this thing. Man. Pretty good, Trail. I got some mustard, some ketchup, and a Campfire corn dog. It's pretty good. I think we could have cooked them a little more, but I think it's pretty good to do it on the first time. I think it's pretty good. Guys, look at this view. Bam. We're cooking up some Huckleberry crisp. It's just like apple crisp, but it's Huckleberry crisp. Poor Trail has got some dust in his eyes. Bummer. So his eye is hurting. And these little boys were throwing rocks off the mountain, and they both cut their little fingers. Did you hurt your finger?
Yeah.
Yep, he hurt his finger. But anyways, we're having a good time. We got the Huckleberry crisp right on the fire. So yeah, now we're just gonna hang out and just enjoy it.
Wee. Hey.
We're gonna eat it with some ice cream. Woo! It's gonna be good. Out here in the wilds. Food always tastes better in the wilds. We picked these huckleberries. Now we turned it into a Huckleberry crisp. And we're gonna have it with this ice cream, vanilla ice cream. and it's going to be so good. I guarantee it's going to be good. Guys, this is the best stuff we had so far today. Fresh huckleberries, ice cream. I mean, it's still like a little bit warm. Woo, it's good. Oh, man. Well, guys, we had some good food. Had a good time picking berries, swimming, hanging out in the creek or whatever. And now we're going to end this video. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to get to her subscribe button. And as always, we'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye.
See you guys.